Hello everyone, I am Shivani Medina from team G506. In this video, I will be discussing about the research paper FinGPT, an open source data-centric framework for democratizing internet-scale financial data. Now let's discuss the scope of the project. Our goal is to address key gaps in financial AI, which are lack of high quality, domain-specific datasets, closed nature of models like Bloomberg GPT, complex, noisy, and time-sensitive data sources. We solve this by automating a real-time data pipeline over 34 diverse sources like news, social media, the company filings, and applying advanced data curation for quality using LoRa or QLoRa plus RLSP. We are fine-tuning the models cost efficiently, making them suitable for applications like robo-advisors, sentiment analysis, and low-code tools. Our actual deliverables from this project would be creating a FinGPT based financial AI platform, which is a custom financial LLM fine tuned to provide a real time market insights. Also, to create end to end data ecosystem to automate data collection, cleaning, and curation from 34 plus sources. This implementation would be cost efficient and will update the model continuously. And the practical applications of this will be robo-advisor, sentiment analysis to empower quantitative trading, and also creating loco tools. We know that LLMs are creating text processing but struggle with finance data due to data scarcity, high cost, need for constant updates. So FinGPT is going to tackle these challenges. So basically, FinGPT is a custom financial LLM fine-tuned to provide real-time market insights. It can automate real-time data collection, high-quality data curation, and cost-effective fine-tuning with sentiment alignment. This will result in a low-cost, continuously updated models proven in several financial applications like robo-advisors, sentiment analysis, and local tools. With this project, we address business issues like limited access to high quality financial data, closed nature of existing financial elements, high development cost, rapidly changing markets, and complex data processing. Now let us understand the system workflow of FinGPT. In this diagram, we can see that we have four layers: data source layer, data engineering layer, which is also called as data curation layer, LLMs layer, and applications layer. Coming to the data source layer. In this layer, data is extracted from news, media, other dataset, and filings like SEC and NYSE. The data from the data source is collected and sent to the data engineering layer, in which data cleaning, tokenization, feature extraction, and vector embedding is done. Then we have the LLMs layer, where prompt construction, LLM APIs, trainable models, and fine-tuning methods are done. Also, under LLMs, we also have tasks which are summarization, sentiment analysis, data analysis. And at the topmost, we have applications layer, where the data that is extracted from the data source layer, then which is cleaned and trained for LLMs, is used in applications like robo-advisors, low-code developments, and financial education. Now let us understand the architecture diagram of the FinGPT. So this diagram shows how FinGPT works on overall. Under data sources, we have regulatory filings, research datasets, news, social media, and live market feeds. Under data processing and curation, the data flows through the injection pipelines. Cleaning, normalization, filtering, and tokenization is done along with unified access. Coming to the model and framework layer, pre-trained LLMs are fine-tuned using LoRa, QLoRa, and RLSP with FinLLM, financial LLM for financial context. Coming to the backend, it is going to handle authentication, monitoring APIs, and monitoring APIs for external access. For database and storage, we can use SQL, non-SQL for structured data, and to store logs and analytics for evaluation. Unstructured data is used under object storage. Coming to the front end, a web UI or a dashboard for users is used to interact, get insights, and use AI tools. Under research ideas, we are exploring Indian stock market. FinGPT, trained on NSE, BSE data, and SEBI filings for localized accuracy. Sentiment labeling audit, comparing RLSP with human annotations. Then, chart and table understandings for the FinGPT, enabling models to interpret structured financial data like statements and price chart. The current FinGPT model or the framework is able to understand financial data which is in the form of text and numerical data only, but we want to implement this feature of FinGPT to understand charts and tables also, to extend its capability beyond plain text to structured data. I would like to conclude by saying that FinGPT is a framework that can gather financial data which is up to date and latest from different websites, upon which you can build any kind of fintech models. So the main point here is, in building any financial models, the fintech models, you need not worry about working on data sets. FinGPT can bring you the data set which is up to date and latest. So this is all about FinGPT. Thank you.